my YouTube channel. In today's session we will be working on SAM training word module for enhancing page layout and design. I will guide you step by step. You can easily understand the instructions and complete your training without any confusion. If you need any help with Blackboard, Cengage, MyITLab IT assignments, quizzes, simulation exams, simulation training or a complete course, you can contact me anytime on my WhatsApp and email. My contact details are available in the description and also shown on my laptop screen. I will provide you full support for accounting, finance, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, MS Access, mathematics, stats, economics, writing, computer science courses, programming languages like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, Python, C++ and Java and other programming languages, and website development using different frameworks and CMS like WordPress, Webflow, Wix and other frameworks and CMS. You can also contact me for your complete course at very reasonable price with A+ grades guaranteed. Now let's start the today SAM training and go through it step by step. Now move to the question number 1. Question number 1 is delete the Rockland Consulting text box at the beginning of the letter. Basically in this question you will have to delete the Rockland Consulting text box. First we select this text box, then right click on this, or simply you can use the delete button for deleting. Question number 1 are completed now. Now move to the next question. Question number 2. Click on apply button. Question number 2 was move the Rockland Consulting logo to the left. Absolute value 0 of the Rockland Consulting Services heading. First we select the logo. Then go to the picture format, then click on the arrange drop down, then click on position, more layout. In the absolute position text field you will have to enter a value 0, then press OK. Question number 2 are completed now. Now move to the next question. Question number 3. Question number 3 is apply a drop cap to the I in technology in the first body paragraph. First we select this text technology, then go to the insert tab, then go to the text box, click on this, in the text box you will see that in the drop cap option, first we select the dropped, then click on dropped. Question number 3 are completed now. Now move to the next question. Question number 4. Then click on apply button. Apply the picture effect glow 5 point. Use accent color 1 to the picture first column first row in the glow variations gallery. First we select this picture, then go to the picture format, then click on picture effects, accent blue, click on the preset, or you will have to find the accent color glow, click on this. Question number 4 are completed now. Now move to the next question. Question number 5. Click on apply button. The statement are given. Change the brightness and contrast of the picture to brightness plus 20%, contrast plus 20%, fourth column fourth row of the brightness or contrast section. Basically in this question you will have to change the brightness and contrast of picture. First we select the picture, then go to the picture format tab, then click on corrections, then go to the brightness and contrast, brightness 20%, contrast 20%, brightness 20%, contrast 20%. We will have to find contrast 20%, this one. Question number 5 are completed now. Now move to the next question, question number 6. Question number 6 is that add a border to the picture using the blue accent 1 color, using the accent blue 1 color, 5th column, 1st row in the picture border gallery. First select this picture, then go to the picture format tab and click on picture border, then using the blue accent 1 color, click on this color, blue accent 1, click on this. Question number 8 are completed now. Now move to the next question. Position the picture in the middle right position of the page with the square text wrapping, third option in the second row in the width text wrapping gallery. First select this picture, then go to the picture format, then click on arrange section, then click on position, then click on this. Question number 7 are completed now. Now move to the next question, question number 8. Question number 8 is at the insertion point insert an outline picture by using the cloud computing to search Bing. Insert the first picture in the search result. First we will go to the insert tab and click on pictures, then click on online pictures. In online pictures you will have to search cloud computing, and the first image you will have to choose, click on this, then insert this. Question number 8 are completed now. Now move to the next question, question number 9. Recolor the picture using the blue accent color 1 dark setting, second column, second row in the recolor section of the color gallery. First select this picture, go to picture format, then go to the color section, then you will have to choose second column, blue accent color 1 dark. Question are completed now. Now move to the next question, question number 10. Question number 10 is wrap text around the picture using square text wrapping, first column, first row of the width text wrapping section. First we go to the picture format and click on arrange and go to the wrap text, click on this, and question are completed now. Now move to the next question, question number 11. Question number 11 is add the text client service to the yellow star shape. As you can see that this is a yellow star picture shape. First we select this shape, then right click on this, then add, and then add text, click on add text. You will have to add a text client service, question are completed now. Now move to the next question, question number 12. Question number 12 is in the space between the news heading and the body text centered below the heading, insert a star 10 point shape, row 1 option 8 of the star and banner section of the shapes gallery. Make the shapes approximately as wide as heading. First you will go to the insert tab and click on shapes, then go to the star and banners, star 10 points, then click on this shape and you will have to draw this shape. Question are completed now. Now move to the next question. Question number 13. Click on apply button. Apply the shape style. Apply the shape style moderate effect orange accent to third column, fifth row of the shape style gallery to the arrow. First we select this arrow, shape style, and go to the shape format, then shape style. You will have to select the orange accent 2. Orange accent 2. We will have to find orange accent 2. Orange accent 2. Click on this. Question are completed now. Now move to the next question. The next question is question number 14. The statement is format the text box by applying the moderate effect blue accent 1 shape style fifth option in the second column and then changing the outline color to blue gray text 2 fourth option in the first row. First we select the text box, select this text box, applying the moderate effect blue accent 1. Accent 1 shape style. Then you will go to the shape format, click on this drop down and select the accent 1 shape style, blue accent 1 shape style, this one, click on this and the outline color blue gray, then click on the shape outline color. You will have to select blue gray text 2, click on this. Question number 14 are completed now. Now move to the next question. Question number 15. Question number 15 is before the second heading paragraph insert an Austin code text box and then type systems integration and cloud based solution to replace the placeholder text. First we will go to the this heading, then go to the text box, Austin code, click on this Austin code. As you can see that the Austin code are here, then type systems integration and cloud based solution. Systems integration and cloud based solution. Question are completed now. Now move to the next question. The next question is question number 16. Then place the insertion point to the front of the 2017 date in the photo credit line and then insert a copyright sign from the symbol gallery. First we will select this text front of date is Then you will go to the insert tab, then click on symbol tab, then click on symbol, click this. Question are completed now. Now move to the next question. Question number 17. Question number 17 is, in the blank paragraph at the beginning of the document, insert word art using the fill blue accent color 1, shadow style, second column, first row. In the word art gallery, type next in touch as the word art text and then click outside the word art. You will have to go in insert tab, and then go to the text option, then click on word art, click on this and then type a text. Next in text. Question are completed now. Now move to the next question. Question number 18. Click on apply button. Question number 18 is, transform the next in text word art using the wave down option, column 1, row 5 from the wrap section of the transform gallery. Click outside the word art to deselect it. So to select this text, then click outside the word art to deselect it. Then you will have to go shape format, then click on transform section, the transform gallery. Yes. Question number 18 are completed now. Now move to the next question. Question number 19. Change the text fill of the next in text word art to orange accent 2, sixth column, first row on the theme colors palette. First we select this text, then go to the picture shape format, word art text fill orange accent 2. Question number 19 are completed now. Now move to the next question. Question number 20. Question number 20 is, change the text outline color of the next in text word art to blue gray, text 2, fourth column, first row on the theme colors palette. First we select the text next in text, then click on the text outline, and you will have to select the color blue gray text 2. We have now completed 20 questions out of 33. If you need any help with the remaining questions or want me to handle your complete course, you can contact me anytime on my WhatsApp and email. My contact details are available in the description and also shown on my laptop screen. I will provide you full support for all types of assignments, quizzes, simulation exams, simulation training, weekly quizzes, weekly assignment, midterm exam, or a complete course. I have successfully handled courses for the students from Canada, USA and many other countries. If you need any help with this task or your complete course, feel free to reach out to me. You can also contact me for your complete course at very reasonable price with A+ grades guaranteed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel.